One of the things that people sometimes forget or think it's not going to be a big deal is the direction your house faces in the winter. So I face north and I have the Arctic tundra. And look at the beach across the street from me. Real nice. My backyard's fine, but it's a little treacherous. So see what I got to help combat the elements. Just like that. No more snow. Now, look at that. Less snow. It's a little icy though. So it gets wet, then you gotta do it again. It's not as easy as I thought, but fire beats ice. You got a guy checking out.